today
Unboxing.
okay, let's start some unboxing. I'll unbox this one, and you box that one. And you
We
also
gotta have the unboxing in the shop. Wait,
what?
Marco, I'm not in the shot. I need to be in the shot.
Hey, but I need. What about you hold it and I unbox? Antonio, I need you. Can you hold it for me? No, we know. Yes. So we're going to unbox this.
Yeah. Mommy, do what you can do. Get some scissors for the mixels.
Yeah. Okay.
If you want some help getting them, I can.
Okay, here's the Flame Kong.
Whoa, that's Sky.
Okay, here's a card and sticker.
Well, I'm trying to show it.
Okay.
Why is the screen all weird? It's
Okay, can we just continue on the video? Okay, next I'm going to open these three characters. Okay,
I don't know.
I'll open them. Whoa, that was easy. Okay, let's take out, who's this guy? It's Sir.
Drill Sergeant
Okay, next.
from Spyro's Adventure.
Okay, let's take out his
Those don't go
card.
from there. They bend that way. You're supposed to open.
Next, we got Double Trouble.
Double Trouble.
And last but least, we got Whirlwind.
See? Here,
And
take these out.
last we have Enigma. Mommy, can you go get something open Enigma with?
I will.
Please, what are you doing? You're going nuts.
Yeah, this guy is pretty hard to open.
Then let me.
Alright, these are the stats of Flame
Okay,
Kong.
Mommy is going to open.
You need to stop
that
this video
second.
because something is wrong.
Yeah, but
Okay.
we need it. No, Mama, don't.
Okay, but hold on. Why is it sideways?
I don't know. We're just going to do that.
Okay, here. Somebody take this.
Antonio! Okay, and Mommy unbox it. Antonio, stop worrying about it. Yeah,
Seen people use
this guy
knives
is hard
before.
to open. This guy is really hard to open.
I'd rather just use a knife.
Yeah. This guy.
How could we have missed Enigma? Hallelujah.
Okay, here. Oh, yeah. And your her card and stickers. So anyways,
Your fingers are
bye
right in the way
bye.
the whole time.
So anyways, bye bye.
Bye.